YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. Hi, I'm Lexi. If you've never been here before, hit the subscribe below so you get notified of every video I do post. Yes, you guys are making this simple but cute thumbnail here. First we're gonna be going into Canva, and you're gonna go in and type in YouTube thumbnail, because therefore it already has the size of it. You don't have to worry about making it that size or anything. And then we're gonna put in a background. I type in room background. I like the second one here because it's like already blurred, so I put that one in there, and then I just made it fit to how I liked it. And then once we're done doing that, we're gonna go back to elements. We're gonna type in ombre. I did ombre red because I wanted to do like red and blue. Again, you can do it as much as you like, as less as you like. I liked it like this. And then I do show you here, again, you can use the image just like this, or you can add like a glitch effect, which I didn't like at first, but now I do like how it looks, how it turned out. So I just typed in glitch in the elements as well. And then you can choose any one that you like. Again, you can do free images. I did a pro image just because I do have Canva Pro. I do use it all the time. But again, you can use any free images as well for this. But yes, that's one of the glitches. I like this one here the best. And then I just stretched it how I liked. And then I did the transparency thing again. Therefore, it just gave a little bit of an effect, not too much, but I just liked how it looked. And then you're going to go ahead and save this here for the back. And insert a clip here to show how to do that online. Alright, so if you don't need to remove a background, don't worry about this. I'm just showing it in case you don't have Canva Pro. Okay, so we're going to go to remove.bg, upload your image, and then it's going to remove the background for you. And then you can upload it just like how I did with the previous image and do it like there. Again, this is only if you don't have like Canva Pro or you need a background removed and you don't have it. Again, you can use remove. Next thing we're going to use is we're going to look up video record if you want like that recording thing on the frame, like it's like a frame. Again, I picked one of the pro images, I believe, but again, they have a bunch of free images that you can use. But yep, I just stretch it. In here, I'm going to put like thumbnail on iPhone. That's just, again, just to finish the thumbnail here. You can use, again, they have a bunch of different fonts on here as well. I do end up playing with this a little bit, so you'll see in the end here that I do change it to be like a little bit curved. If you want that effect, you just go to effects and click on shape, and it'll go to the curve. You can choose that as well if you'd like. Otherwise, you could just leave it as is, or however you like to do it.